We've already posted some videos here on the channel showing you different ways to back up your security camera footage online for free. And today, we're going to show you another method, this time using the FTP protocol with a professional platform that comes with both a mobile app and a PC program to manage your recordings. It's a very simple setup, easy to configure, and it's supported by most DVRs, XVRs, NVRs, and IP cameras. So if you have an IP camera or any other security device, no matter the brand, you should be able to use this platform with no problem at all. We truly believe you won't have any trouble setting it up. But if you do, just contact us. We'll be happy to help you out. Our WhatsApp support link is right below, in the video description, and in a pinned comment. If you like content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos. Now, without further delay, let's jump straight into it. Go to CameraFTP.com and click on the button to create a free account. Then, choose a username. Enter a valid email address. Create a password and confirm it. Complete the security verification. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. And finally, click the button to finish creating your account. If everything goes well, you'll see a confirmation page saying your account was created successfully. Just hit continue. Next, click on the button to add a new camera. Enter any name you want for the folder where your images will be saved. You can also add a description and, if you want, include your camera's brand and model. Then, click the Save button, and after that, click on the button to get your camera's setup information. Here you'll see the details you'll need to configure your device: server address, port number, username, password, and folder name. The folder name corresponds to your camera name. Use these details in your camera, DVR, or whatever device you're connecting. In our example, we'll be using a DVR, but the steps are almost the same for any other device. Only the menu design may look different. On this DVR, go to the menu, click System, then Network Services, and double-click FTP. Once there, enable the FTP function by checking the activation box. Now fill in your account and server info. Server address, port number, username, password. Folder name where the images will be stored. Leave the file size as default, and when you're done, test the connection. If the connection is successful, you'll see a success message. Depending on your device, this FTP setup alone may be enough for it to start sending recordings to the server automatically. If you're using an IP camera, that's probably all you need. It should already start uploading footage to the cloud. But if you're using a DVR, XVR, or NVR, you'll also need to enable motion detection uploads. Go to your motion detection settings and make sure motion detection is enabled. Then check the FTP upload option. This ensures your DVR sends recordings to the server whenever motion is detected in front of your camera. Once done, just save the settings. From now on, every time movement is detected, the footage will be uploaded to the server automatically. You can access your recordings from both a computer and a smartphone. On your computer, you can use a web browser or the CameraFTP program. To keep this video short, we'll show how to do it through the browser. Go to the CameraFTP website, log in with your username and password, and click the button to open your recordings. You can even download your clips to your computer if you want. The desktop program is also very simple to use, but we'll probably make another video soon showing that in detail. You can also access your footage through the mobile app. There are versions for Android and iPhone, but we'll show the Android version here. Go to the App Store and search for CameraFTP Viewer. Install the app, open it, and go through the intro screens until you reach the login page. Enter your account credentials. Then tap Login. If the app asks for permission to access files on your phone, allow it. That's needed if you want to download recordings to your phone's storage. You can also enable biometric access for added security if you want. This is the app's main screen. If you have multiple cameras, they'll all appear here. To view your recordings, just tap the camera you want. To save a clip to your phone, tap the download button. Keep in mind that depending on when you're watching this video, the app interface may look a bit different, but overall, it works the same way. If you have any questions or get stuck at any point, feel free to contact us. Our contact info is in the description and in the pinned comment. We hope this video helps you set up your cameras to save footage online for free. But if not, don't worry, we'll be bringing more videos soon showing other ways to do this. So if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and if this video helped you, please leave a like. It really helps us out. That's it for today. God bless you, and see you in the next video.